Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Guide Hub. In this video, I will guide you through how to update German American mobile banking application on your device. For that, first of all, launch App Store. Then click on the search icon which is on the bottom right corner of your screen. On the search bar, search for German American Bank. Then find the app labeled with German American Mobile and go through it. Here, if you see update button instead of open, that means your application needs to get updated. Simply tap on update button. It will take some time and your application will be updated to the latest version. Once your application is installed to the latest version, there you will see open button. In this way, you can easily update your application. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.